Question 16, how many meters squared are there in 1 kilometer squared? Well, what we need here is a picture of roughly a square. So it's 1 kilometer by 1 kilometer. Now, if you're thinking that I know this already, there's 1,000 meters in a kilometer, you would be right with 1,000 meters in a kilometer, but this is talking about meters squared and kilometers squared. So it is not 1,000. Okay, for the answer that we're looking for. So easiest thing to do is think in terms of both units separately. So a 1 kilometer by 1 kilometer square, that would be 1 times 1. And 1 times 1 equals 1 kilometer squared. So if you're doing it in kilometers squared, it's 1 times 1, which is 1 kilometer squared. If you are doing it in meters squared, then you've got to remember that there's 1,000 meters in the kilometer across the bottom, and there's 1,000 meters in the kilometer up the side. So in meters squared, that is going to be 1,000 meters, length times width, don't forget, times by 1,000 meters again. And 1,000 times 1,000 is 1 times 1, which is 1 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So that's actually going to be 1,000,000 meters squared. And that is your final answer. In 1 kilometer squared, there is actually 1,000,000 meters squared. And you could go on building up facts. So 2 kilometers squared would actually be 2,000,000 meters squared. And one more, 7 kilometers squared would actually be 7,000,000 meters squared.